All right, let's cut through the hype. How do you actually make money with AI?
It's the big question on everyone's mind, right? And the answers are surprisingly within reach.
And hey, you don't have to be a coding genius to get started. Let's look at the main options.
We're going to break down 3 core strategies, and we'll start with the biggest earner.
First up, landing a career in AI. This is about being on the inside, actually shaping the tech.
And get this, that's the average base salary for just one role, an AI product manager.
And as you can see, it's not a one-off. We're talking about serious salaries across the board.
Okay, path number 2 is all about freelancing. Think of AI as your secret weapon.
You can use it to speed things up, letting you take on more clients and make more money.
But here's the catch. AI is the assistant, but you are the expert who delivers quality work.
All right, on to path 3. This is all about creating your own content using AI tools.
The cool thing here, you're building assets that can earn you money even while you sleep.
So no matter which path you choose, your own skills are what will really drive your success.
You might be wondering, how do I even get started? Well, that's where training comes in.
And check this out. There are different learning paths, whether you're a beginner or more advanced.
But wait a second, is making money with this stuff even legal? That's a huge question.
The simple answer is yes. Anything made only by AI is in the public domain, free for you to use.
But, and this is important, if you add your own creative touch, that part can be copyrighted.
So, the tools are ready and waiting. The real question is, what will you build with them?